Hello, today we will talk about Tether. It's a fast, ultimate guide to Tether cryptocurrency. Its video will include what is Tether, is Tether a stable coin, how does Tether work, how does Tether stay at $1, and uses of Tether. So, stable coins, the quiet power players in the cryptocurrency market, have been getting a lot of attention recently. Romance question regarding stablecoins, particularly Tether, have been circulating in financial circles. Are they as stable as they should be? Tether released an attestation regarding its research on August 9, 2021, as a method to reassure consumers that the most popular stablecoin is stable. So this video tutorial on what is Tether will help you explore all the essential aspects of popular stablecoin Tether. What is Tether? Tether, also USDT, is a blockchain-based cryptocurrency that tries to keep the cryptocurrency price stable. It is utilized by crypto investors who want to avoid the high volatility of other cryptocurrencies while maintaining value in the crypto market. The native coins of the Tether network are Tether tokens, which were established by the crypto exchange Bitfinex and traded under the USDT symbol. By market capitalization, USDT is the fifth most valuable cryptocurrency with a value of about 68 billion as of October 2021. Is Tether a stablecoin? Stablecoin industry strives to eliminate the volatility, allowing Bitcoin to function as a safe haven rather than a risky investment. In a volatility crypto market where it's difficult to convert back and forth between cash and cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, stablecoins provide liquidity. Tether is indeed the world's first and most well-known stablecoin. How does Tether work? Tether Limited manages the Tether token reserves and accepts fiat deposits and withdrawals. It also means that and destroys token to keep the coin value stable. Tether on Bitcoin. Tether was created on OmniLawyer, a Bitcoin blockchain-based system. The ledger is maintained on the Bitcoin blockchain as well as liquid. A Bitcoin sidechain and transaction may be viewed by using Omni Explorer. Tether on other blockchain platforms. Tether is also available on Ethereum, Tron, and among other blockchains. As a result, new assets can be developed directly on this platform. Ethereum happens to be the largest market for USDT. So let's talk about how does Tether stay at $1. Since Tether is tied to a matching fiat currency found at 100% guaranteed by Tether reserves, it has been able to maintain its value even when it has fallen below $1. Uses of Tether. Currently, crypto trading pairs priced in USDT and other stablecoins outnumber those priced in US dollars To be more specific, there are three most common use cases. Trading. Users can convert the cryptocurrencies they need for trading to USDT and then use it to acquire other cryptocurrencies to cut costs and wait times. Lending, because lenders do not have to worry about losses due to volatility. USDT is extensively used to lending assets. Cross-border payments, international money transfer from to any area of the world can be completed in minutes. What makes Tether unique? Stablecoins assist traders and investors in reducing the dangers associated with severability that is typical in cryptocurrency markets. A trader may limit their risk of being exposed to rapid decline in the price of cryptocurrency by converting the value to USDT. They enhance the number of trading pairing they can offer by facilitating crypto-to-crypto transfers. It also permits merchants to trade cryptocurrency in places where fiat cryptocurrency is prohibited, where we can buy Tether. We can buy Tether on famous trading bridges. It can be Binance, CoinSpot, Bitfinex, and Kraken. Just a few famous cryptocurrency exchanges that accept Tether tokens. Is it a good investment? Tether is the most popular stablecoin with no significant competitors. Even compared to other cryptocurrencies, not just stablecoins, it performs admirably in market capitalization. After 7 years of prosperity, there are not signs of it slowing down. It is currently one of crypto space too big to fail enterprises. However, don't expect it appreciate in value. That is precisely the purpose. USDT is kept at $1, and the organization behind it aims to keep it there. So Tether is a helpful tool, but it is not a typical instrument. So today we talked about Tether. We learned more about it. Also, we learned what is Tether stablecoin, how does Tether work, how does Tether stay, and $1 point. So it's all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.